But yes, mine and her bond was like there was a lot of caring. There was a lot of connection, and it's a genuine one. And I wanted to see how it is because there are a lot of people who are very different from in the outside world.
Yeah.
What you see inside. Yes, I was targeted a lot of times for that, for not taking up a stand, probably not, uh, like saying what I had to say, though I had a platform where I could voice my opinion. But it's difficult to voice your opinion in chaos. It's because I am a very calm person. I'm a very collective, calm person.
Hello everyone, welcome to peepingmoon.com. I'm Rashita Sahani, and today joining me for a super interesting conversation is Big Boss OTT finalist Rakesh Bapat. Hi Rakesh, how have you been?
I'm very good. How are you? Thank you for having me over.
I've been good too. You're most welcome. Congratulations, firstly, Rakesh, for making it to the top five. And, a lot of people were rooting for you. So you tell me, how was the journey up till then? And were you disappointed to not win it?
No, I was not disappointed at all. In fact, I never thought that I would make it till the top five. It was fate or audience support, and probably the way I was as a person, being true to myself and being honest about certain things. Um, I'm glad that I reached till here. The do's and don'ts of life and how to not escape from certain situations and how to face things head on. And I'm very glad that I learned that.
Okay. And after your exit, I think Shamita, Nishant, and Divya were remaining. So did you expect Divya to win the trophy?
Uh, I knew that somewhere Nishant and Divya would be in the top two, is
Yeah.
because they really played a game. They knew the craft very well.
Yeah.
We were, I think, I especially was a novice, and I was like a child running around from one place to the other, trying to figure out things. And I think the best person has won because it's not us who has made. It's not the decision of the in-house, the
Yeah.
inmates. It was completely audience decision, and they voted for her. Obviously, it's because they saw a winner in her. That's why she won. So I respect that actually.
Definitely. And Rakesh, we saw you getting targeted a lot in the house for either not shouting or not, you always said, I will say when I want to and when I have to for taking a stand. And you were targeted for that very reason. I think it's a part of everyone has their own personality, individuality. So what do you feel about that? Do you think it was a little unfair to, going on targeting you on that point?
Yeah, it was unfair. I felt then it was unfair because I was being really trying to suss the situation out. I was not really understanding because I'm a person who really cares for people. I don't like to hurt anybody, and it's very difficult for me to say no. Like it's like
Yeah.
I'm very it's though even I want to say no, I would want to say in a certain way.
Hmm.
Uh, it was difficult for me to handle everybody out there because I really thought the issues that were created in the house were really not real issues. Like everything
Yeah.
seemed very like a format, and like
Yeah.
we always deal with bigger situations in real life, and such situations always come with solutions. So now
Hmm.
I realized the pattern that people fight, 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 and towards the end of the day, you are hugging each other out and hugging it out and
Yeah.
be friends with each other. So I couldn't understand why people are reacting that way because somewhere if you fight, you always fight, and you have enemies made for a longer time.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it was somewhere like probably a script for me where people were doing certain things.
Mhm.
Uh, I didn't find it pretty real as such. Why are we fighting? Why do you want to win the trophy? Yes, that's why you're fighting. Obviously, it's a game you're fighting. I understood that. But certain aspects, I couldn't wrap my head around it. I felt it was. I really felt it was not real. So I felt very uncomfortable being in certain situations. Yes, I was targeted a lot of times for that, for not
Yeah.
taking up a stand, probably not, like saying what I had to say, though I had a platform where I could voice my opinion. But it's difficult to voice your opinion in chaos. It's because I am a very calm person. I'm a I'm a very collective, calm person. I like to weigh the pros and cons and then talk about it. I'm not a person who would scream and shout and put my point across, because there are other ways to maturely put your point across.
Exactly.
And I've been like this always in my life, and there was no need for me to change that. Yes, I do not blame other people for that either, because obviously my kind would not be appreciated to a lot of people, because they
Yeah.
feel in a reality show like Big Boss, you need to be in a certain way. I
Correct.
understand
Yeah.
that, but I'm sorry I couldn't be that way, because I'm not a person who would give opinions or form opinions, because I'm not God. I'm not a perfect person to give my opinion to anybody, because I'm flawed too. So I felt it was not my place to select somebody or give my who's right or wrong, or किसका मुंह पानी में डुबाना है, कौन हॉट है, कौन हॉट नहीं है, या कौन ये है वो है. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं उसके काबिल भी हूँ कि मैं किसी को जज कर सकूं. So I always refrain from. I tried to balance it out somewhere, but audience always wanted push me to be strong,
Yeah.
be spiteful, and all that thing. But I'm okay with it. I'm okay with the way I am as a person, and I respect that about me. And my people respect that mostly, and that's what matters to me. And my mother gave me the hugest compliment that you were so good on the show. I mean, you didn't play,
Yeah.
you were real. And the one thing that she said was, yeah, she brought me up and she said I did a good job with that. So I think that was a big compliment.
So sweet. That's great. And I think we all saw that. So yeah. And Rakesh, also your bond with Shamita was highly loved outside, and you guys also got a hashtag called Shara. I don't
Yeah,
know if you know about that yet. So a lot of people were showering young love, but at the same time, so many people were calling her controlling. But what do you feel about that? Because you were the one who was with her. So you tell me.
yes, she was. She is a person who has strong opinions, and it's good to have strong opinions in life. And she's an expressive person, and that was the only difference between me and her. I do have strong opinions, but I am not that expressive. I do not go to a level where I would state my opinions so openly out in public. She had valid points, and she was. I won't say she was dominating. She came across as dominating, obviously, but for me, it was. I took it as like somebody who cares would say that.
Yeah.
Somebody who feels for you would say that. So I don't have anything against that. Like to each his own. Everybody is a way of expressing things is different. So you cannot label anything. You cannot tag them with any kind of words like these. Um, I think we were all real here, and we were all expressive. We were all, some people were. I wasn't that expressive. I'm not generally expressive. So, but I respect that she is very expressive and she's very clear in what she feels in life, and she expresses it open. So I appreciate that about her, and I don't think that is called being dominating. It's just being having an opinion and expressing.
Definitely agreed. And you said that you will also take your bond ahead with Shamita. She said the same thing, that when we are in the outside world, when these situations, game-like situations are not present, we would want to explore. So what is happening on that front?
We obviously, because that's Big Boss is a house, where we are
Yeah.
going to be on there for a purpose, to probably win the trophy or play the game or whatever. Some things are real, some things are unreal. But yes, mine and her bond was like there was a lot of caring, there was a lot of connection, and a genuine one. And I wanted to see how it is, because there are a lot of people who are very different from in the outside world,
Yeah.
what you see inside. But I thought Shamita was real, and I was real too. So I wanted to meet her. I wanted to see how she is as a person, and how she is. How do we get along outside this house? And we are still trying. I mean, we have spoken to each other. We'll be meeting soon, and obviously, people will get Shara picture together very soon. So I've been seeing all the requests and all that, but I've
Yeah.
been in Pune because of my work and my family and all that. I've been away for a long time, and I have to cope up with a lot of things. And I just wanted to come here and do that, finish it off, and then come to Bombay again. And I'll meet her and you'll definitely have that photo.
I know yesterday Shamita and Neha met and people went crazy. They were like, where is Rakesh? We want a picture with Rakesh, like of Rakesh and Shamita. So yeah, your fans are eagerly waiting. So whenever you meet her. And recently also Divya, she said that, Rakesh and Shamita's pairing is a reality show pairing. It cannot be compared with my bond with Varun because there were some things said inside the house about Varun being dragged. So what do you have to say about that?
I think I don't want to comment on something like this because to each his own. What they want to say in life is their call.
Hmm.
But for me, people's judgment or opinions actually don't matter to me. Honestly speaking, is because I know what I am and my bonds with people. I know they're very clear cut, and I cannot fake things. Honestly speaking, be it a game show or real life.
Hmm.
Uh, so whatever she has to say or do or whatever, that is her call, and it's completely up to her how she wants to see it. But I respect everything what has been said. It's that people come from a place, they see something, they don't see something. It's their opinion. I'm nobody to actually judge it.
Okay. And what about Nishant and you? Because you guys shared a pretty strong bond inside the house, but there were some, of course, some places where you two also had an argument or a fight. So, do you think you guys were able to show your proper bond inside the house as friends?
Nishan was clearly playing the game,
Yeah.
and I knew that he was playing the game, and I had no problems with that because I knew because we always connected outside the house very well. We had
Hmm.
a long friendship, and we have had ups and downs as well. In real life, you do fight with friends, and you do have certain misunderstandings that you do get to that level. But I never once judged him. Yes, I told him I didn't like his
Hmm.
connection with Prateek because me and Prateek would never get along. I did tell him that you didn't stand up for me when it was needed, but I am somewhere like a very forgiving person, and I know where
Hmm.
he's coming from. And I don't take such things too hard generally because you have to move on and you have to see the light of it.
Yeah.
And I think it was just a game show, and what happens in the Big Boss house, such things remain in the Big Boss house.
Yeah.
So I have nothing, no grudges against him at all.
Oh,
We would.
great. Okay, that's great. And the water task that happened where you had to dip one face inside Shamita and Divya were there. Now that grabbed a lot of headlines, a lot of people's attention. But the most bizarre tweet that I personally read was a celebrity tweet. Kashmira Shah, she tweeted that Rakesh is on his way of becoming a henpecked husband again. To which, of course, Riddhi replied saying, "Don't make loose comments." Now, what do you have to say about such things, people going so private, so personal?
I would say I'm not henpecked, I'm a caring husband because I always give my women the space, the treatment, the respect, and I don't cross that. And I treat my women like queens, and that's what a man should do because there is love, there is a lot of caring. So somewhere I like to treat my people
Yeah.
special, and it doesn't make you henpecked. It's just you bow down to certain levels just because you want to give them that love. So that is not being henpecked, and I always am like this. It doesn't make me weak or not take a stand. It's just that I ignore certain things and I do certain things for the person's happiness.
Hmm.
So that's what makes the person make. If I can make the person feel special, it's the greatest thing. So
Agreed
whatever
completely.
with it, these are just names. These are just
Yeah.
titles which people give, and it's not. Then I know what I am. I don't have to take.
Okay, great. And related to that question is that we actually saw Riddhi supporting you a lot of times. She was putting out tweets whenever necessary. So, what was her reaction to seeing you, in the top five? And did you have a chance to talk to her after coming out?
Because I just spoke to her yesterday, I think, and she called me and she messaged me also before after I came out. You came well played, and I was supporting you all the time. But I knew she would support me, and I spoke to her and we discussed a lot of things about the house. And she's far away shooting somewhere outside the country, so we had a word. And yes, I wished her on a birthday also. Today is her birthday, so
Yeah.
I spoke to her as well. So yeah, I mean, she loved the way I played it. She said full respect, and I know how you are as a person, and so you don't have to get affected by it.
Okay, great. And if Rakesh given a chance, would you want to enter Salman's Big Boss 15?
Honestly speaking, I don't know at this point. There's a lot of work pending for me here,
Okay.
and I'm trying to figure that out. So let's see.
Okay. But we would love to see you inside that house as well.
You'll get to
Oh,
know soon.
definitely. Okay, thank you so much, Rakesh, for joining in. It was a pleasure chatting with you.
Pleasure, pleasure.
Thank you.
Take care. God bless. Bye.
Take care. Bye.